Hi friends, welcome to my episode number 7 in which we will learn how to suit large size product such as garments. 3 years back I did garment suit for my multinational client Nindra Clothings, which we will see during this tutorial. So let's start now. Let us see the important requirements. First requirement is to use light meter, because exposure is the most important part and every part of the clothing or garment must be well exposed. So the use of light meter is very essential. And then next requirement is the use of 18% grey card. Because why we use this grey card? In clothing, garments or any product, the color must be very natural. Pink should look pink, not red. Blue should look blue, not cyan. So if we use 18% grey card, then we can do the correction of the white balance accurately. I can say 100% correct. Then what happens? This is my way of doing. You must have seen in episode number 5 where we learnt how to suit small products such as jewelry, wristwatches, spectacles, etc., where we made a small box of thermocol sheets because our requirement was to suit a small product. Here my requirement is to suit a large size garment. So we have to similarly make a large size box of thermocol sheets. Why we use thermocol sheets? Because the light coming from the top, from the strobe lights, spreads uniformly around the box, just to avoid any kind of shadow anywhere near the cloth. So this is the thermocol sheet box, and then here we have to use 2 strobe lights. If this is a square shape, then you have to use 2 rectangular strobe lights, so that the complete square is covered with the strobe lights. Then first of all you will keep a 18% grey card, and now we need to shoot from the top. So it is essential to use a aluminum ladder so that we can go on the top, and then from the top we can take a top view of the garments. So first shoot we will do keeping the grey card near the garment, okay, and then we will start arranging the garments one by one and we will shoot each and every garment. But here 2 things are very important. One is the arrangement of the garment, how to keep, where to keep top, where to keep trousers. Second important part is the kind of use of props. It is very important because this will add some story to your garment, and this assignment was for night wear. So after shooting, say for example I am showing you that I have captured 5 garments along with 1 frame with the grey card. So we have got 6 images. Simply you drag and drop in the Adobe Photoshop, and it will be processed in the Adobe Camera Raw. In the top, first image is with the grey card. From here you just pick up the white balance tool from the top and just click on the grey card. After clicking, you will see the change here in the temperature and all. Then you simply click on the top, select all images, then you select sync settings. After selecting sync settings, you must check that white balance is definitely checked here, because we are basically trying to correct the white balance. After this, all the 5 garments images will be corrected for the colors, and this is the final shoot. You can see here. Here I have used a red color feather to give matching with the red and pink this night wear. Again I have kept a Vogue magazine also here. This is the green suit where I have kept a novel. This is again a black and white check night wear. Here I have kept slippers. Why? Because mostly the ladies wear night wear in the night, and they move around in the house wearing a slipper. This is another frame where again I have used a different magazine of Vogue. In this work, whatever techniques I have used, I have referred the book Digital Photography, which you are seeing on the screen. Second part, the support from Prague Intech is very important, because Prague Intech is supporting me in video editing. Thanks friends very much, and I hope you like all my tutorials. Please subscribe my channel and do not forget to hit the bell, so that you will get future notifications whenever I am posting a new episode. And wait for my next episode, definitely on a very new and advanced technique of photography. Thank you very much.